Hello, everyone. I'm Mr. Tim, and this is how to fix AI answers without starting over, the second pass method. Here's why AI fails most people. Most people think AI fails because it is unreliable or makes things up. That's not why it fails. AI fails most people for one simple reason. They stop after the first answer even when it's incomplete, vague, or slightly off. AI isn't broken. The conversation just stops too soon. By now, you've heard me talk about my focus technique, where F is the frame of the situation, O states the objective, what you actually want, C lists the constraints, what are the limits, U give the unknowns, what you don't know, and S define the specifics, what exactly you need. Here's what most people miss. Focus isn't something you do once, you use it again to clean things up. That's Focus Plus. People will ask the AI question, then abandon it the moment the first answer isn't perfect. That's where things go wrong. The real problem is you ask a solid question, AI gives you an answer that's close but not quite right. So then people either restart the chat or re-ask the whole question or argue with the AI. AI is not a person, it's a machine. All three do the same damage. They throw away the context. And that guarantees the same problems all over again. The second pass, Focus Plus, is what you do instead. You don't replace the answer, you refine it. Think of AI like a junior assistant. If a human gave you a rough draft, you wouldn't fire them. You'd say, "This is close, but here's what needs fixing." That's exactly how AI works best. Here's the key idea. Every second pass is just focus used again to narrow, correct, and clean things up. Same conversation, same context, better result. You only need three simple moves. Number one, narrow it. Use this when the answer is too broad. Say, concentrate only on so and so. This fixes scope problems immediately. Number two is correct it. Use this when something is wrong or misunderstood. Say, that part isn't accurate. Here's what I meant. AI doesn't get defensive, it adjusts. Correction is instruction. Number three is adjust the voice, the tone. Use this when the explanation doesn't match you. Say, explain this more simply. Be more direct. Use plain English. Tone isn't decoration, it changes the quality of the answer. So let's say the first answer comes back long and technical. We all love that. The second pass, this is helpful, but narrow it down to just the safety concerns and explain it in plain English. Notice what didn't happen. There was no restart, no arguing, no extra complexity. You just used focus again to clean things up. So let's dissect the second pass instruction. This is helpful, is reframing the situation, but narrow it down is giving it a constraint. To just the safety concerns is both the objective and the unknown. And explain it in plain English. That is a specific. Same conversation, much better answer. Why does this work? AI learns inside the conversation. Every clarification sharpens the frame, fixes assumptions, and improves alignment. Starting over wipes all that out. So AI doesn't fail most people because it's broken. It fails because they stop too soon. Don't restart, refine. That's the Focus Plus second pass method. And this is Everyday AI with Mr. Tim and Professor T. Real solutions with ChatGPT and Common Sense. See you at the next session. You're in the right place.